The taxi driver asked for your address, and you froze like a scared potato? Let's fix that.
English by Miko.
Morning. Are you available?
Good morning. Yes, hop in. Where to?
5th Avenue and 34th Street, please.
Sure thing. That's about 15 minutes from here.
Sounds good. How much will it be?
Around $20, give or take.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you prefer the highway or local streets?
Whichever is faster.
Got it. I'll take the highway then.
Thanks.
Are you visiting New York or do you live here?
I'm just visiting. First time here.
Oh, welcome. You'll love the city.
Thank you. It's already amazing.
All right, here we are.
Perfect. That was quick.
You're welcome. That'll be $20.
Thank you so much. Here you go. Keep the change.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.